Hello and welcome to Home Decor Hall, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see hanging crafts ideas for room decoration. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for regular updates. Adding handcrafted wall hangings can adequately and uniquely define the living space. Different than modern wall hangings, handcrafted products can set your mood and add colorful vibes to your living rooms. As created swing hands, these wall hangings are beautiful and unique. If you have bland walls in your house, by using these beautiful ethnic products, you can make them look charming. When it comes to decoration your house, the most important factors that you need to consider are accessories and decoration. Besides, you need to choose something which can keep your inner home environment healthy, and you can add your personal touch. That's why there is nothing better than handcrafted wall hangings. There is no doubt that wall hangings are one of the most fantastic interior decor pieces. The reason behind this is they are made of natural materials without going through any chemical process. The finishes and colors look quite stunning. This beautiful piece can be a significant point in your home. They can have a big and positive impact on your home interior. You all know that choosing a perfect color palette for your interior design can be very challenging. It requires a lot of efforts. As the options are unlimited, it will be difficult for you to narrow down your choice. So you can use handicrafted metal and wooden wall hangings to give an empty wall an amazing look instantly. Just choose a perfect hanging piece and you are ready to change your house look. As handcrafted wall hangings are available in different style and design, you can choose as per your preference to give a smoothing effects. Besides, they add some depth to your room as they are the traditional artwork. They will provide your room a unique look. All the handcrafted wall hangings are designed and developed uniquely using hands. That's why they are best in quality and quite durable than modern wall hangings. Their unique texture will add much needed effect, which modifies the tone of the room and look. With some simple steps, you can make the room feel more intimate. I hope this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your room with hanging crafts. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.